Earlier I talk about I don't need money for buy better food. And then I start to think what else I don't need to have money for. And of course, traveling. I have wonderful experience with bike traveling. I did trip from Estonia to Lisboa, Portugal. And this was really life-changing for me. Completely different experience. Slow moving, all this beauty of nature, what you can see in short distance. All this experience with weather conditions, wind and rain, and this was really something and made me proud to me to be able to do that. I am not sure I can repeat this. Not right now, for sure. And another thing what I did was Workaway. I don't know, do you know about Workaway? This is platform where you can find host all over the world. And you get accommodation, you get food. In return, you need to work 5 hours per day and 5 days per week. It's not much. I did this more than a year, and this was definitely best time for me. All these people who I met, all these places. All these experiences. Really, you can see in completely different level country and culture and nature, and it's something else. You can't buy this with money. And for this, you don't really need much. So actually my house over here is designed to be me able to leave this place and go somewhere, for instance, for the winter time. The problem is I don't want to leave. I was waiting for this winter. I was waiting to feel how I can live here. And in fact, very well. now I am looking for the spring. And I think I don't want to travel some years, maybe one day. And preferably with bike or with bike and Workaway together, or with Workaway. So you don't need much money to live dream life, in fact.